In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Arduino IDE. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and open up your Chrome. Then you go ahead and do download Arduino IDE. And then you go to this place right here. This is the Arduino platform. I'll leave a link down below in the description to this website. There's many code editors that you can install here. But the first one, the main one that we all install is this one right here, the Arduino IDE 2.3.7. That's the version that is out now, but of course it'll probably be different for you as they continue making updates to this IDE. So you could choose the different types of versions that you have, or computer versions you have. So in this case, I have Windows 10 or newer, so I have Windows 11, so this will work, and also 64-bit. Just choose the type of computer you have, and then go ahead and press download right here. And then you can see right here, it is downloading, so now all we have to wait is for it to finish. Okay, so now that it's done, as you can see, this pops up on the top right here. You can go ahead and click this, or you can go into your downloads folder and click it from there. That's where it's going to be installed or downloaded. Now we have to install it onto our computer, so go ahead and click it, or click it in the downloads folder. And then it's going to kind of pull up this, and this is just a license of agreement to say I agree. And then it's going to say if you want it for other people or only you. Usually most people are just going to want it for themselves, so yeah, just go ahead and click next. And then this chooses where the Arduino IDE folders will be stored and put on your computer. By default, it gives a path or a place where it will put it. So I'm just going to go with this, but you could change it if you want. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and say install and just keep it to the default path that it has put there. And so now it's going to go ahead and install. Okay, so now that it's installed, now we can go ahead and click finish, and we check run Arduino IDE. So right when we click finish, it will pull up the Arduino IDE. So we can go ahead and do that. And so basically here is the Arduino IDE. It's all installed right here. So now you can go and basically start writing code. And so basically that's basically it. And so if you like this video, guys, consider giving this video a like. Also comment down below if you have any questions, and consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.